Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make McDonald's hot honey sauce. Cue the music. Alright, I appreciate you joining us today. Don't forget to go down and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video and this recipe with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making McDonald's hot honey recipe. So let's check out what we need to do here. We're going to mix all these ingredients. Our recipe calls for half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. I use Frank's right here. Tabasco works as well. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then a little pinch of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and mix this up. Just move our ingredients off to the side here and get our main bowl underneath the camera. See that? All right, take your honey, put that into the bowl. You should get a large enough bowl so you're not spilling stuff out as you mix it up. And we've got our pepper flakes and our cayenne and salt and pepper, hot sauce. You can add more if you'd like. There's a little bit of apple cider vinegar in there. Now we're just gonna mix this up. All right, there is our sauce. I am going to dish this up. We've got some French fries. We're gonna give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. All right, we got some French fries here. Legend has it that you can eat fries with this sauce too. I think I would be dipping some chicken McNuggets in it or something different, but I'm going to try it out with some French fries. So, got a good shot there in the camera. See what our sauce is thick. Yep, loose enough to spread and put on a bun if you want. Sticks well to the fries. Let's see what it brings the heat. Yep, got the sweetness of the honey, tartness of that vinegar in there. I don't know if I like that or not. Here comes the heat. This would be good for wontons. Yeah, maybe fries weren't a great choice for this. Be good with some chicken. So, I think my last video I made some chicken. Hang on. Yep, got a chicken nugget right here for my last video. Let's try that out. That's more like it. Yeah. It goes really good with that breading on the chicken. Mixes it really well. Tastes good. Yeah, you can get that heat in there. The sweetness. Maybe a little less vinegar. But fries are okay, but do it with chicken or on a chicken sandwich or something. The recipe for this is down in the description box. You can go to my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz. I've got a ton of recipes on that website and a lot of fast food sauces. So check that out if you like fast food sauces and want to learn how to make more fast food sauces. That's the place to go, www.itsonlyfood.biz. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.